Welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. Here's your weekly dose of inspiration to build a creative habit. One drawing at a time. Brought to you by Sketchbook School. Hi, welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. Last week I shared a flip through of my sketchbook, and at the end of that live session I also tried to explain how you can film your own sketchbook using the camera on your phone. It was a bit messy and unclear, so today I am giving you a proper step-by-step so you can start filming your own sketchbook tours. What you need is your sketchbook, your phone, a mobile phone tripod with flexible legs, or duct tape, and a desk lamp. You could use the tripod as is, but that will give you quite a distorted view and it'll be too close by. Of course you can lift it up and put it on a box or something, but it'll be in your way for your flip through. Hence the desk lamp. It'll lift your camera up and you can adjust it once it's attached. Attach the little flexible tripod to the end of the desk lamp. Put your camera in the tripod's arm. Open your camera app, select video, and adjust the lamp so your sketchbook is centered and you have little distortion. You may want to zoom in just a little bit. Now all you need to do is press the record button and you can flip through your sketchbook hands-free. If you don't have a mobile tripod, you can make do with what's around the house. Duct tape can get you a long way. Make sure the tape doesn't cover the lens on your camera when you use it to attach it to your lamp. And if you don't have a desk lamp, be resourceful and find something else to attach your phone to. Film your flip through during daytime. You need daylight to make your art come out best on screen. The desk lamp is only functioning to raise your camera, not to use as lighting. Don't do it in direct sunlight, it will cast shadows. And make sure you don't stand in the way of the light and cast a shadow over your sketchbook. It'll take a bit of fiddling and maybe you need to do a few takes before you get it right, especially when you're new to this. But it's pretty straightforward and fun too. One additional tip: sometimes when you film straight down with a camera phone and you open the video, it plays upside down. There are apps for this that flip your video the right way up in just seconds. If you make a flip through of your sketchbook, post it on social media and use the hashtag #DTTInAction. I can't wait to watch your sketchbook tour. See you next week. Bye!